Your bums are showing, so.
You're violous. You're
Nah.
Now look at the
You don't look like a hater. You look like someone who's lying.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, you are lying.
What am I lying on?
I show you the WhatsApp. You didn't go to China that day. Why? Tell me why did your producer call me and
Where's
after that,
evidence?
and I show you the evidence now.
I was in China with him.
You were not in China. Bro, dog.
We're in China for home.
Man,
Listen.
stop this thing.
Listen.
Your violas, done your violas. And I'm drunk, you know, and I'm having, so me, I'm not a violent drunk, you know, like when I'm drunk, when I get shit-faced.
You're a loving drunk.
I'm a loving drunk, man, you know what I mean? And
a looping drunk.
and deep down inside, there's a Casper Nyovest fan, you know? There wasn't even a time, our boys will tell you, there wasn't even a time, dude, when he shot his video, Pumagim, at Hurricane, where he's on top of the container, I was there. When he did his Red Bull rooftop thing they used to do in Bromfontein, I was there, you know? And then they knew that, and that's why they even invited me to commentate at his fight. You get me? So people now get surprised. And then I found out because I was drunk, you know? And I got the cold treatment. And that's all I remember. That's all I remember.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend usol Phenduka ngemva kokuthi amdreke awuKespa Nyovest laphana ku Twitter mpide ngamadzakwane it's a drunkard isidzakwa. Guys, I think kuyavakala nje ambide ngesidzakwa. So uyakhumbula ukuthi there was a trending video of usol Phenduka bita awuKespa Nyovest. Hey, Nyoviolis. I'm ignoring uKespa Nyovest, and that video went viral Nkosi yami. And upostele picture lena ke uKespa Nyovest wabhala caption lethi the Don Nyoviolis. So someone uhambe lapha ku Twitter utshela awusol Phenduka ukuthi hey phela seliphenduka uKespa Nyovest udibita ngaleli gama lomnikelo na wathi ya Sol Phenduka yana leli gama ngamnika mkudzala bengicabanga ukuthi sokhohliwe ngisho nokukhohlwa ngalo. Hayibo waphendula uKespa Nyovest ngemva kokuthi ave response iya Sol Phenduka athi you are giving yourself a bit too much credit madagweni, relax. So usho ukuthi nje utiniketa i-credit learning njena wena sidzakwa awu relax and people were like hey bana, he's calling the guy sidzakwa. Guys, Kespa Nyovest kahle bekangaphatheki kahle ngalento into bebade khuluma uSol Phenduka kanye na Mac G lapha ku podcast yabo. So lento into vele bedimhlala phakathi dimlemata bambita ngokuthi yana he should leave the mic before the mic leaves him, but ngoma take they better. I think the latest song lawe keeper futhi bathi ya better bakhulume ngayo. So lokho kweza ngokumphathe kahle, and he even said ukuthi yena akakhoni kuhleka nebantu labadweka ligama lakhe if nje umkhomba ukuthi awumfateli nayo tokhomba ukuthi akamfateli uthi ungathi masohlangana naye etendleleni bese wenda ngazuthi yamthanza, but when you always talk shit behind his back. So umtshelile nje athi ay relax amadakweni. And people were just making fun of uSol Phenduka ukuthi hey bana bambita ngesidzakwa ubitwa uKespa Nyovest. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.